Hi guys, my name is Tabish and you are watching this video on Tashify YouTube channel. And those who are new here, let me introduce my channel very quickly. I post videos about lifestyle in Sweden and information in Sweden for those who are new in Sweden or planning to move to Sweden or just curious. So I do different type of lives and I also do different type of videos. So please go and check out my channel. This video is a series where I read your comments and I try to answer those comments. So, and then I post videos about how you can sell on Amazon from anywhere in the world, and also some videos of useful tips about your YouTube channel. So most of my content was in Urdu, but now I'm posting more and more content in English. So let's jump into the YouTube studio and go to the comments section, and there let's start from top actually. So I have posted a video called jobs in Sweden's job for Sweden job for students in Sweden, and there is a Hamza Arif is writing jobs available without knowing Swedish languages, newspaper job, gardening job, cleaning job, dishwashing job. Yes and no. I don't know in what context he is writing this. Could be these jobs could be easy to find, but there are a lot of jobs where you don't need Swedish language. However, I always suggest and motivate you to do and learn Swedish language course also. And but there are jobs you can do. Foodora, people are students mostly doing that job, and they are making good money out of it and good living out of it. Then you can work in some warehouses. You can also work in restaurants. I know many of my friends in the past, they have worked in restaurants and they did not know Swedish language. So there are other opportunities, but of course if you know Swedish language you have much more opportunities to work. And then there is another video available. I have posted job availability and salaries in Sweden. And okay, what he's writing in Urdu text. So he's writing ऑपरेटिंग के हवाले से बताएं CNC अस्सलाम वालेकुम ताबिश भाई ऑपरेटिंग के हवाले से I did not get his question. So Naveed, you need to write more about your question. Then it is I'm just loving it. I just recently posted a video about a very interesting product we have just bought, and I'm loving that product every day. I look at that product. So please go and check out this video. I'm just loving it. And he's saying I'm new to your channel. I was watching your videos. Video is amazing, mashallah. You are spreading awareness. Good job, bro. So Sami Ayaz, thanks a lot for your nice words. Thank you very much. As he said, assalamu alaikum wa alaikum assalam. Then there's a video answering your comments I have posted previously, like this video. And he's asking, Shubha is asking, what about COVID cases in Stockholm in Sweden? So COVID cases are really increasing a lot, and the reason is there were no strict guidelines before as other parts of the Europe, but this time Sweden has been implementing those strict guidelines in 8 of their communes, and Stockholm is one of them, and there's also very strict in Västra Götaland, Örebro. So the COVID cases are going up, and I think this is really serious that Sweden should put more strict guidelines. But on the other hand, this was good for small businesses. So businesses has survived in that pandemic lockdowns. Like in other countries, it was not possible for small businesses. But yesterday my wife was telling me that there is a indoor play areas for small kids, and there is nobody is going there. So they have been requesting people, please come and we will make sure people are having a safe distance. We will, if you want to have a specific area to play with your kids, we will allocate it to you. But if you don't come, our business will close. We cannot keep the jobs. This is really sad when you see this kind of situation. I think Swedes and we in Sweden, we haven't seen such a lockdown and such a crisis here. But I can imagine when it was a lockdown in Germany and Italy and France and other parts of the world, how tough it was for a small businesses, for any business, and how tough it was to keep those people on jobs. I wish those cases go down. I wish those cases go down without any severe lockdown. I can tell you about our company policy that we are supposed to go to office if we are healthy and we are feeling okay, but we have to keep the distance within the office also. There is still no guidelines about the mask. You can go in the bus or in the tram without a mask, at least in here in Gothenburg, but I don't know in Stockholm if there are any mask guidelines. For example, in UK you can walk on a street. When you go out, when you enter in some shop, you have to be in a mask. So when you are entering somewhere, you have to wear a mask. It's not like that here. And yes, cases are going up, and I pray that we get rid of this corona crisis all around the world and everyone becomes safe from this. So Bilal Bhatti is saying, very nice bro, about one of the video I put. I am just loving it. It's the same device. Then how to get Swedish citizen. Here is a Colleen Munro. भाई क्या PR से पहले पाकिस्तान में वेकेशन पे जा सकते हैं? So he's asking if you are applying or if you are waiting for your PR, can you go to Pakistan or your home country for visit? And yes, of course you can go, as long as, and you can come back as long as you have a valid visa of Sweden. So nobody will stop you to visit your home country. So there was another video, what you should not bring to Sweden from Pakistan, and he's saying that blanket वगैरह के बारे में क्या. So I was posting a video, say actually very good video, you should go and check it out. I made this video for those who are moving to Sweden as a student or might be new in Sweden. So I was writing that what you should not bring to Sweden, because we who come from Pakistan or India, we did do some mistakes and we bring those things which are not useful here. You might lose a lot of money, you might have to pay a lot because of a weight. So, and those things are really cheap here, and those things are you can really find here and in a very good quality, which are made for this country weather. For example, jackets and shoes. So please go and check that video. And he said blanket वगैरह के बारे. So I would not suggest to bring your own blanket from your own country, because you can buy it here very cheap and they are lightweight and yeah, they're good. So you don't need to bring that big bulky blankets from your country. So then here is another comment here. Work permit for student in Sweden. Really appreciate you, sir. So this is Suraj is writing. Really appreciate you, sir. You are great in your great initiation. Help, idea, vision, love towards student. God bless you. So he's like, actually I had posted a video. I had an idea that how I can help those who are new here in Sweden to guide them to the way for the work permit. And he was writing a comment on that. Please go and check that video. It's a really good announcement in that. I had a video called My Life Story in Sweden. Go, it's in Urdu for those who can understand Urdu and Hindi. It will give you some inspiration, might be, or if you can learn some lesson from my failures. So someone is writing. I cannot read his name. It's something called MC in the end, and they say. Sweden is turning into a Middle East now. Sad. I don't know in what way he is writing, but yeah, I think the crime rate has been going up in past few years, and that is not only Sweden, it's all around the world. It's so much uncertainty, restlessness, and people are not sure what they should do. The political stabilities are not so good. There are a lot of trouble, but Sweden still is a very good country. And we had a very sad incident here in Borås recently, and it was a lot of criticism because it was a middle of a day, actually not middle, around 6 p.m, which is the office when people are going back home from offices. In the middle of a city, it was a shooting between police and some gangsters, and some of the gangsters were died. It was an open shooting, so if you are there with your kids, it's really sad and scary. I can only imagine that those who were there with the kids and by themselves, how scary it was for them, and those who were not there, how big question is for them that what kind of city is that. Having said that, I haven't heard such a thing before about Borås and any other cities in Sweden. Might be there are some big problems going on, but I think overall system is really good and they are really keeping everything in control. So Pakistani lunch in Sweden with beautiful nature and secret place in Sweden, which Sana has showed us. So go and check that family vlog. It was really good. And Ali Shair is saying, I love life. I also live in Sweden. Okay, ji? Which city you living? You haven't write it. Talha Hussain is saying, bro, is there work for a master tailor? No, he's doing a he's a tailor and he is asking if there is any work. No, there is not so many people who are going for handmade clothes here in Sweden. It's very expensive to do that. I have driving license or food delivery job. Yes, food delivery job is quite a lot here. So people are buying more and more because of this COVID. People are ordering online. I just had a delivery from DHL. We had bought a new dining table and I was just talking to him, so his truck was full with the boxes, and I was asking him, I said, oh, it's quite a lot of deliveries you have. He said, yes, nowadays it's crazy because people are buying a lot online, and then a lot of delivery work is it's booming like this, so it's good for the food delivery also. So work permit. Again that video about work permit for student. Hi, how I can contact you. Adil Khan is saying how I can contact you, please. So in every video I post, in the description of that video there is a link where you can go and book a time with me. So if you want to talk one-to-one with me, you can go in the description of this video or any video on my channel. You can click that link and you can book a time with me. Of course, that is a paid meeting. It's not for free. So okay, then we go. Appreciate, bro, this video very useful for everyone. You help people, that's great. So Sheez Khan is saying that. Thanks a lot, Ji. Thanks a lot for your comments. Irfan is saying nice, bro. Thank you. Then there is Tajammul Hussain Nazar, Tashif Saab. So he think my name is Tashif. So my name is Tabish. So anyways, Tashif Saab, I need your WhatsApp, please, thanks. Okay, so I told many times, I don't give my WhatsApp like this. So if you want to have if you have any questions, post it here or contact me via my Facebook page, or if you want to have one-to-one meeting, please book a time with me. You will find a link in the description below. If you go to Islamabad or Murray, you will have lot of beautiful places like this. So Sana was showing us one mine in that family vlog, and Ali Raza is telling me if I go to Islamabad, yes, there are a lot of mines over there also, and I've been to many times in Islamabad, Rawalpindi, and Murray, but I have never stopped for those particular mines. So Javeria Asjad is saying, Tabish, really good job, keep it up, thanks a lot. Then Kalia, Tashify, how to contact you on WhatsApp. So as I told you, go in the description of this video, you will find a link. You can book a time with me if you want to have one-on-one meeting. Raza Bas is saying, Tabish, bro, I am Rizwan from Lahore, Sauda, Pyara city. Thanks a lot, Ji. Thanks a lot. Bro, this video is really outclass. Bro, I need to discuss with 101. Tadi fees kinni hai? Okay जी, so you तुसी जा सकते हो इस वीडियो दे डिस्क्रिप्शन दे विच, उधर थानू मिल जाएगा लिंक एंड थानू मेरी फीस भी पता लग जाएगी. So he was asking, it's a video I have posted about recently, work permit for Sweden students, and he is asking, it's a very good video, he wants to talk to me one-on-one. You're very welcome to do that. I will wait for the proposal, please. Knowledge TV is saying that I will wait for the proposal, please. Tell me when it's finalized. So I told in my previous video, it's just an idea, I'm working on it. So if I find some really concrete information, of course I will make a detailed video, and I tell you guys that how it will work. I am still working on it, but I think it's not that easy, but we will see. It's a lot of, and the thing is, everything is very easy in my mind. It's very crystal clear. I know how to do, what to do, but the thing is, it's all about the time, and I don't have that time actually. I'm so occupied with so many things. So God bless you, brother. So Sajid is Sanjeev Kumar is saying, God bless you, brother Sajid. Iftikhar, can someone get a loan from bank having a business in Sweden? Yes, you can have, or only work permanent job is a prerequisite. No, if you have a good business and if you have a good earning in that, and if you can show the bank that you will pay their money back, of course you can apply. Banks are there to give you money. What you think all the businesses do? There are so many people who start business by taking loan from the bank. For example, when I was looking at those businesses which are for sale, those brokers are actually offering you this service that if you want to apply for the loan, we can help you with that. So Soni ji is saying, great Tabish bhai, thank you. Dinesh Lakshman is saying, can someone explain this in English? So so it was, Dinesh, it was a video I have done that if you're a student here, you can, and if you get a work permit, you can apply, or if you get a job, you can apply for work permit. So the idea was that offering you as a student to some companies to do a job there, so you can, which fulfill the requirements to apply for work permit. To do that, I was thinking I can help you with some system I'm developing, but of course it will cost you. It will be a win-win situation for both, for you and for that company who will hire you, because they will hire you on they will hire you from below than a normal wages. And how it will be done? It will be done by telling them that you're a student and you need only this salary, and they can hire you on that salary, which is a lower salary than a normal one. So it's a win-win for both of them, but it's not that finalized yet. There are so many ifs and buts. So idea was that we will contact so many companies and ask them, okay, do you need a person? We have a person for you who can work for you for 8 hours or 6 hours, and he needs this paperwork from you, and then based on that job you can apply for work permit. That was the whole idea. But let's see where we are. We are not there yet, so you have to wait. I told you it can take a couple of months to finalize it. It is very funny. मुझे लगा ऐसे बहुत काम होता है. Okay, how to get Swedish citizen? I don't know. Ibrar is saying what he's saying about funny. I don't know what was funny, but go and check it out, that video. ब्रदर मैं पाकिस्तान से हूँ. कुछ देर पहले बीकॉम किया है, इलेक्ट्रिशियन का काम कर रहा हूँ. बहुत लंबा मैसेज लिखा है. स्वीडन के स्टडी वीज़ा अप्लाई करना चाहता हूँ. तो okay, so so Abrar is asking that in nutshell, he's asking, he wants to apply for a Swedish for studies in Sweden. So I told you that you can go on universityadmission.se, and there you can get all the information how to apply in Swedish universities. And you can go on YouTube also and search study in Sweden, Tashify. You will find my video where I have explained you step by step what to do and how to search for the courses, and you will find information there. Hopefully that video will answer your all question, Abrar. Okay, then it was a video, sir aap kitna charge lenge? Mohammed Naman is asking how much I will charge for. Okay, on that video, work permit for student. I don't know because we haven't done that cost analysis yet, so I don't know how much it will cost. So, but it will not be cheap. I'm telling you, it will be quite expensive, and it will be only for those who cannot find a job and who has money. So, yeah. Sir, can you help me if I come to Sweden on visit visa? Yudesh, how I can help you? I mean, what help you need? So be more clear in your question. I don't understand. Okay, Uruj Khan is, if you are asking me if I can help you with a job, no, I'm not a job giving company, but you can search for a jobs yourself. If you're asking me if I can, with that system I was developing, if in that system, of course, in that system I can help you. But that system is not there yet. So let me come back to you with a new video about that. I see so many people have shown interest in that. So Uruj is saying that, brother, I want to have a chat with you. Okay, I tried to book appointment with you, but on your provided link, but our timing is not matching. Currently I am in Australia. Okay, Uruj, I can understand what you're saying. So Australia time 10 a.m. Okay, so Uruj, if you want to book a time meeting with me, please tell me which time suits you, Australian. If you're saying that 10 a.m. to late night, I will wait for your reply. I don't get this. So tell me what time, and I can find some time on Sundays, because I work full time during a day, so it's difficult for me. Okay, now guys, my break is gonna finish very fast, so I need to shut this video off and go back to work. And hello sir, I am from I'm on 1 year program in mid Sweden university, but have PR card for 10 months. I applied for personal number on 8th of September. I'm still waiting. Is I will get personal number or not? Because they mentioned 365 PR card. So the thing is, if you have a valid visa for 1 year, you are eligible to get the person number. If you don't have that, then you get a person number then you get a collaboration number, which is almost equivalent to person number. So you can do all those. So you can even open a company or open an account on collaboration number. So it's not that different. So yeah guys, now I should go. I really need to go now, but it was really nice reading your comments. Please keep posting your comments and I will read it. I will try to do it every second day to read your comments. So when there are some comments, I record a video like this and then I post it. Now I see that this video has been 22 minutes. This is really long. Some people are saying that why I am posting so long videos, but this is how it is. I read your comments, it takes time, and then I have to answer them. Sometimes I go in so much in details, and sometimes I just say I have posted a video about it, go and check it out. So accountant job easily मिल सकती. So there are several people are asking me about the accountant jobs, and I have told so many information in my previous lives about it. So if you want to know about some jobs, please go on LinkedIn, search your job, put Sweden as a location. You will get an idea what kind of jobs are out there. Take care, be patient, do hard work, and also keep things running, and subscribe my channel, and also stay tuned. Have a nice day. Bye bye.